Welcome to this quick yin yoga session for sleep. Take this time to set an intention, and let's begin by inhaling deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, and exhaling deeply out of your mouth or nose. If your mind drifts, always come back to your breath. Let's begin with seated cat-cow, exhaling slowly, rounding your spine. Inhaling, drawing your shoulders and head back, continuing to flow with your breath. Inhaling calm, exhaling tension and stress. Transitioning onto your back, bringing your knees to your chest and rocking from side to side. Coming into stillness, taking this time to focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, come back to your breath. Slowly releasing your feet down to the earth, taking windshield wipers from side to side, bringing your legs up to a 90-degree angle and dropping them to your right side into a supine twist. Arms are out in a T shape, gaze is to your left for a neck stretch, resting your right hand on your left knee, holding here for the next minute. Slowly bringing your knees back to center and taking your knees to the left side. Gazing to your right, noticing your breath as you settle in to this stretch. Gently moving your knees back to center, planting your feet, and moving into windshield wipers. Slowly drawing your knees to chest and moving into happy baby. You can rock from side to side or stay in one place, grabbing the outside of your feet or big toes. You can also hold your ankles or shins, gently pressing your tailbone toward the mat, letting gravity do the work. With each breath, feeling your body soften and surrender. Gently releasing out of the stretch, planting your feet on the ground, and taking windshield wipers once again. Rolling over to one side and slowly moving onto your belly into Sphinx pose. Bring your forearms to the mat, elbows under your shoulders, press gently through your forearms, allowing your chest and head to lift into a gentle back bend. Shoulders relax down your back, softening your legs and glutes. Gently pushing up to seal pose for more of a back bend. Let your belly and hips be heavy, allowing the lower back to gently curve. Finding your edge, only go as deep as it feels safe. If there's any pinching or pain, then come back to Sphinx pose. Gently releasing down to crocodile pose, resting your forehead on your hands or forearms for a brief rebound. Slowly pushing up to a seated position, taking a cleansing breath, inhaling deeply, filling your lungs and releasing all of the air. Inhaling again, bringing your hands up to the sky, hands meeting, and bringing this peaceful energy we've created to your heart space. Namaste. Thank you for being here today, and I hope you have the most restful sleep.